Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my art room. I am going to do a reverse dip or reverse puddle dip. So I did one before and I just pour puddles and then I lay my plastic over. So what I've got, the colors today, well, I've already laid my black. I'm going to do it on a black background. It's just black, Artist Loft black, flow it acrylic mixed with some floetrol. This is the one that I use. Flow acrylic black. Okay, so I have light magenta by Artist Loft, and it's mixed with floetrol and a little bit of pouring medium, and there's the consistency. It barely makes a puddle, disappears. And I have Naples Yellow by Basics. So when you make a stream, there's barely a puddle. Same, I have metallic gold deco art. And I have a permanent magenta, Winsor Newton. So I've mixed my paints. 1 part paint to a half of part floetrol and a squirt of pouring medium and water to thin. I have the in my description below, I have the recipe. All you have to do is click under the video. You'll see a description and there will be my recipe. All right, so I'm gonna get started. All right, I'm back. So I added some more permanent magenta to this purple and lightened it up a little bit. So it's a nice, pretty violet purple color. So it's permanent magenta and prism violet mixed together. All right, so I'm gonna start pouring puddles with the Naples Yellow. I'm going to do smaller puddles. Let's see if I can keep it in the right order. And I think I want to put a little white in between, just to pink, so Naples Yellow, purple, white, pink, gold. I'll start with the Naples Yellow. Oh, you know what I did? Oh my goodness. Instead of white, I poured my floetrol in there. Oh dear. It's supposed to be white. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll just put white on top and see what happens. It's not supposed to be floetrol because the bottles are very similar. And I just picked it up quickly. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, we'll see what happens. It probably won't hurt anything. gold. I should make it a little bigger. Some more white here. Just going to move it around. Another drop of gold in the middle. All right, a little interruption there, but I'm back. I think I'm just going to leave it and I'm going to do my dip. So, I just wanted to even that out a bit. All right. I'll get my other palette knife. All right. Okay, so I've got my plastic. I wonder if I need any leaves. Oh, let's put some leaves in. What the heck? Okay, I'm done with that. I'm just going to take my plastic bag. Let it drape down. I'm going to take my glove off. It's full of black paint. And we'll see how this turns out. It's so much fun experimenting, isn't it? Eh? Trying to find new ways to make a pretty flower. I love it. I love it. Thanks to Fiona. She does amazing ones. This is something new anyway. This is it's almost like a bottom bottle pour, only it's a puddle pour. Just take each corner. And lift it up. As evenly as you can. Wow. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love it. Needs a little more black. Some of the black came off here. Oh, I like it on black. Woohoo! I'll hold it up for you. It's a little bright with my light shining in today. I hope my whole video wasn't like that. I'm gonna move my camera over a bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I moved my camera to show you a close-up. There you go. I love it. I'm gonna do more of these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Hi, everybody. There's my dried results of my spiral dip. I like this one. It came out awesome. Pretty pinks, purple, bit of yellow. Just a little wet right there, but it's drying really well. Okay, thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.